Most people think print on demand is dead in 2026 because the market is flooded with cheap, low quality products. But there is a premium way, a way that you can sell higher ticket items. I'm going to give you the exact blueprint that if I started over today, this is exactly what I would do. From setting up Shopify and picking the only supplier that I trust for this strategy. We're going to take a different approach because I know I always talk about selling t-shirts. So I want you to stop thinking about selling $20 t-shirts with the $3 to $6 profit margins. We need to think about the $50 wall arts or any type of premium apparel that can keep your profit margins between $20 to $30 per sale. And this is why we're going to use Shopify to give us that type of control. And the cool thing about Shopify, there's actually a free trial that you can start with. And here's where 90% of the dropshippers fail. They pick a supplier that takes 3 weeks to ship an item. In 2026, customers are used to the Amazon shipping speeds. If you can't deliver within 3 to 5 days, you don't have business. That's why for this strategy, we're going to be using Gelato Print on Demand because they're a software company that connects to local print houses in 32 different countries. When a buyer in the UK buys, it's printed in the UK. When a customer in the US buys, it's printed in the US. This cuts shipping times drastically and lowers your carbon footprints. And you can see how powerful that is when it comes to shipping times. And I got a link in the description that gives you 50% off your first order. Make sure you sign up there so you can follow along with the next step. To sell high ticket items, your photos need to look premium. Gelato has a built-in mockup generator that is really good. And you can create professional scenes, for your products, which is really cool. Okay, this is gonna help you, close those higher ticket item sales. All right, so I'm gonna keep this very simple and easy for you to do. What you're gonna do is come over here to apps. Then you're gonna come over here, you're gonna see Gelato, it's already pops up. So it pops up Gelato Print on Demand. And most likely I already have it installed. You're gonna go ahead and install that app onto your computer, integrate it into your Shopify. Okay, so you're going to integrate them together and you want to go ahead and connect it. So very simple, very easy to do as far as, putting it all together, just like few clicks, integrate, sign into your Gelato account. If you don't have one over there, create one over there. And as far as that, just like a few different clicks and then boom, you have it all integrated. Next is I'm going to show you how to upload it to your actual Shopify store. So what we're going to do is going to go ahead and add a product. So I'm on the back end of Gelato. I'm over here. We're going to add a single product. For this example, you can add whatever you want, your personal preference there. But I'm going to show you some of these premium products that they have back here. Okay, we're not going for a t-shirt. We're going for more of a premium product. And as far as like that, there's a few different things you see on the left hand side. Look at all this. So when you hit the down tab, there's obviously like the different types. So hats, there's beanies, there's dad hats, snapbacks, trucker hats, and then you come up here, wall art, fine art, posters, okay, canvas prints, posters with hangers. Like it goes premium wooden frame posters, metal frame posters, wooden posters. See, there's quite a few different really cool things back here. Elevated apparel. Let's see, you're gonna see back here. Let's come back here. Let's look at some of the stuff. There's some sweaters. Sweaters are obviously a really good. Nice profit margin over here. So let's go down a little bit more. There's champion sweaters. Okay, so those are higher. You can see that right there, higher profit, which is really cool. Sport tech, okay, performance, trending sweaters, a few other things over here. And they're adding, so back here too, they're adding a few different types of style brands, which is really cool to see. And then if you hover over this too, 20% increase this week. It just has some little really cool things. So let's like the champion sweater. Let's see, supports higher retail prices and more profit for you. All right, that's really nice. Champion right here. We're just looking at some of the hoodies. There's another champion hoodie. Okay, really nice. All right, let's come over here to the hoodie. Let's go ahead and pick the one on the bottom, this champion hoodie. I'm gonna go ahead and just look. So you can pick. There's a few different colors that you can choose from here. Okay, then you can pick your different sizes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and upload a design. This is really cool. They have a ton of different stuff that you could do back here, from files, text. You can even create your own design back here if you wanted to. Okay, just by adding text to a design, which is pretty awesome, right? So you can see all that. So files, I'm gonna come over here and choose a file, upload one. You're uploading the file, you can see on the left hand side. Okay, then it'll tell you can see right here, you're looking at this DPI. I kind of like to give a little bit of room on each side. It's up to you how you want to do this, but I like to give it a little bit of room for the design, the print area, because this is a little square part right here. This is the print area right here. And then you can see 5 522 DPI. You can see it's good. So that's a good sign right there. And then continue to mock up. This is going to be like with that part right there, that little design template is like how you're going to add your own design to the actual listings. Now, there's, as far as this right here, this is going to be really cool. Think about it as your customer coming over here and clicking on the actual image and looking at it. Let me go back right here too as well. By clicking on the actual image, right, this is what your customer is going to land on. So as we go up, we want to make sure our design obviously looks good on different colors too. And then set the image. We can make any of these the primary one, but it's going to be the first image. Continue to details. And then you can, I love my super. So please stay away from me. So see what we did there. I just added that into the actual, I can also, to a really cool one thing, you can actually use the generate with AI. Then it'll help you fill out the whole title and the description, which is really cool. So for that example, let me go ahead and copy that. We'll see how that works out. Let's test it. Okay. And generate. All right. So you can see what it did. It optimized it for us and put the tags. That's really good. Right. Let's go next to the prices. So everything's looking solid right here. It's $50. Bring this down a little bit because let's see what happens when we put it down a bit. I can see people paying 80. So like with a custom print, I can see people paying 75. Because you come over here to Macy's, you're doing 50. Now with your custom design on it, you see it be 75, 70, right? Something around there. But I feel like 100 is pushing it too much. So I think when it comes to like the higher priced items, something like this, you can definitely get away with something like this. Remember, they're getting a premium like Champion hoodie with the custom logo on it. And the shipping, everything. So we're looking at everything. We're looking at $17 to $21. Now this is up to you. I feel like this is more like you can add on when it comes to something like this, but this is solid. The next thing I would think about is, okay, like say if you don't feel comfortable with the Champion hoodie being at that price point, but I feel like 75, you can probably get away with something like that. And especially with the profit margins right here, you see that, right? You're going like $20. It says 17 to, depending on the size, right? You come down, we're getting like $20 a pop. Okay, now the bigger sizes, right? You can probably up this a bit to like 80. The bigger sizes, 2X and that are always more. Something like this in custom size with a Champion style brand. This is more of like your premium, remember, keep in mind, your premium sweater on your website. And then what you're going to make sure that you have that labeled, like these are premium sweaters. And then you have your lower end sweaters, right? Which you can do, but you can obviously push them to the premium sweaters, and you push them to the premium sweaters. Like, yeah, these are 75 each. And obviously there's going to be a different feel, different quality to it, right? And obviously a brand name, more of a brand name like Champion, right? It's up there. And I feel like when it comes to something like that, it's you can get away with that. Now, obviously if it's a cheaper customer, they can probably do like $50 to $40 a sweater, something around there right now. But now we got a premium, we're talking double the price. In return, right, you sell 3, 4, 5 of these in a day, you're making anywhere between $60 to $100 a day just with this type of sweatshirt, right? Which is really cool. Now, same thing, vice versa with the wall art too. Remember, you're trying to create an emotion here. The goal is to create an emotion with these type of designs, right? You've seen a lot of stuff like on Etsy. You do a lot of research on Etsy, and I'll share one of the trending ideas that I found this week to kind of give you an idea, maybe spark your interest when it comes to something like this. Because then I found a few websites that are actually selling it on a Comforts Colors t-shirt, but they're also selling it on hoodies too as well, and then they're selling it like on wall art. So I think when it comes to something like this, you have to understand, your customer, and you have to do your own research and dig into it a little bit deeper, but understand like what's trending and what people are buying right now. Okay. And then you come over here, continue. We're looking good. We'll go ahead and publish that. All right. And go ahead and let that publish. Now I'll show an example of this actual wall art I created over here. Okay. I leverage AI for all of this right here, this whole design, and made the whole concept, right? And I'll put that video right above here or in the description, and it will be on my channel. So it will show, like I showed you how to create the whole design leveraging AI and doing all that stuff. But something like a wall art, for example, you can see the price over here on Gelato is $27.44 with taxes. So with taxes, you're going to see taxes and other charges. So let's say that's like $30 for one, right? And then you're selling it over here for 55. Okay. So when everything's said and done, let's say you're getting like close to 25. Let's say 25, and then obviously the bigger items, the prices go up, or the bigger the pieces, the prices go up, or just like different color wood frames. This is all upon you. Like whatever you want to do. So if the wood frame's a different color of the sizing of because you can do different colors for the wall art, right? And you can adjust the price based on you and how much work that's going to be done on your end, or the customers. You want to get a feel for this when it comes to this, right? So to say that you're doing wall art too, you're doing something more of a higher end, where they can put a custom image there, and they put a custom image, they make the purchase, and then the order comes into Gelato. Gelato goes ahead and actually prints and ship the product for you. So let's go over here and check out right here. So for example, let's come over here, which is really cool. So you can see like how it looks on the actual website for the piece of wall art. Hit on personalized design, and this is cool because with the personalized stuff, like this will get a little bit more. You can put the name here, okay, and this is all on the website. You can put the date here, okay, which is cool. So you can change that out, and then you can also choose like different fonts that you want to use on the actual image too. Okay, so you kind of get the concept. This will be like the main design here, and now I'll show an example of this actual wall art I created over here. Okay, I leverage AI for all this right here, this whole design, and made the whole concept, right? And I'll put that video right above here or in the description, and it will be on my channel. So it will show, like I showed you how to create the whole design leveraging AI and doing all that stuff. But something like a wall art, for example, you can see the price over here on Gelato is $27.44 with taxes. So with taxes, you're going to see taxes and other charges. So let's say that's like $30 for one, right? And then you're selling it over here for 55. Okay, so when everything's said and done, let's say you're getting like close to 25. Let's say 25, and then obviously the bigger items, the prices go up, or the bigger the pieces, the prices go up, or just like different color wood frames. This is all upon you. Like whatever you want to do. So if the wood frame's a different color of the sizing of because you can do different colors for the wall art, right? And you can adjust the price based on you and how much work that's going to be done on your end, or the customers. You want to get a feel for this when it comes to this, right? So to say that you're doing wall art too, you're doing something more of a higher end, where they can put a custom image there, and they put a custom image, they make the purchase, and then the order comes into Gelato. Gelato goes ahead and actually prints and ship the product for you. So let's go over here and check out right here. So for example, let's come over here, which is really cool. So you can see like how it looks on the actual website for the piece of wall art. Hit on personalized design, and this is cool because with the personalized stuff, like this will get a little bit more. You can put the name here, okay, and this is all on the website. You can put the date here, okay, which is cool. So you can change that out, and then you can also choose like different fonts that you want to use on the actual image too. Okay, so you kind of get the concept. This will be like the main design here, and then they can add their name and date. So together until we are dust. This is a funny skeleton with some mushrooms on the back, which is really cool. And then went ahead and did the name and the date. So you can see how customized, like the more customized you are with the product, the more easy it is for you to make. The less competition too. So less competition, and I want to say it's easier for you to make a sale, because you're like, oh, customer, like, oh, this is pretty cool. So just to give you an idea, and then your website's really cool. You can edit real fast, and it's on the go too. So when the customer does the edit on their end, it will come into Gelato. Gelato will print and ship the product for you, and it will be easy for you. Instead of editing all the design and doing each name and each date and all that stuff yourself, it's so user friendly with this feature on the actual website. And think about it too. You're selling, let's say you sell 3, 4, 5 a day. You're making anywhere between, let's say like you're making anywhere between like $60 to $100 a day just with one product. Okay. Now, if you start to, scale it, and you think about that for the month, you can probably make anywhere between like $1,000 to $3,000 a month just with one product, right? And obviously you have to figure out how you're going to drive traffic, and that's important too as well when it comes to any of this stuff. But I feel like with AI, the more that you put out there and stuff for the audience, the easier it is for you. You're building your brand, you're putting content out for your audience, stuff like that. The easier it is, or you're running ads, the easier it is. As long as you have a solid product, a good product, it can make all the difference for you making your first sales or generating a steady income with your print-on-demand store with Gelato and Shopify. So everything that we did here, from the technology that we used, Shopify to build the website, and then we went ahead and connected Gelato to it. Gelato handles all the printing and shipping to the customer, and Shopify handles the website. And all you need to do is bring your designs. And it doesn't have to be really hard, because simple text designs make sales, or even if you're good with AI, you can definitely generate some really cool AI images. If you're ready to build a real asset hit the link down below to start your Gelato account, and watch this video right here next so I can show you how to find winning design ideas.